In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a broker to MT5. Before we dive into the platform, it's important to understand how this connection actually works. You don't connect a broker to MetaTrader 5 like you would install a plugin or an extension. Instead, MT5 connects to your broker automatically when you log in using the account details that your broker provided. So think of it as logging into an online banking app. Once you enter your credentials correctly, the app knows which bank and which account to show you. Because of that, there are three things you must already have from your broker. First, your MT5 account number. This is usually sent to you when you open a live or demo trading account. Second, your MT5 password. Make sure you have the trading password and that you type it carefully, paying attention to capital letters and symbols. Third, your MT5 server name. Brokers can have multiple servers, such as broker name real or broker name demo, so you need to know exactly which one belongs to your account. Once you have those three details ready, open your MT5 platform. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the File menu. Click on File. This is where all of your account-related actions start. From the drop-down list, look for the option that says Log into Trade Account and click on that. This is the key command that tells MT5 you want to connect to a broker's server using an existing account. After you click Log into Trade Account, a login window will appear. Here, you simply follow the on-screen prompts. In the Login or Account field, enter your MT5 account number exactly as given. In the Password field, enter your MT5 trading password. Then, in the Server field, either select your broker's server from the list or type it in, depending on how your platform is set up. Take a moment to double-check all three fields before you continue. A small typo in the account number, password, or server name can prevent you from connecting. When everything looks correct, confirm by clicking the OK or Login button. If the details are valid and the server is reachable, MT5 will connect to your broker automatically, and you'll see your account and live prices appear in the platform.